Garlic breath is unavoidable, especially if you're a hardcore garlic lover like me. Now, people have come up with all sorts of different ways to get rid of stanky ass garlic breath. So today, I'm gonna do an experiment to see which method is the best way to get rid of garlic breath. All right, here's what's gonna go down. Before every method, I'm gonna chew one garlic clove, do the method, and then I'm gonna have my trusted breath sniffer give each test a thumbs up or a thumbs down. First up, good old toothbrush and floss. Supposedly, if you brush your teeth and floss immediately after eating anything garlicky, it gets rid of the smell. I've done this before and I don't think it really works, but let's see what Leo thinks. I forgot how spicy raw garlic is. Just let that marinate for a little bit. I'm gonna brush my teeth. This is weird. I've never done this on camera. Let's just speed through this, shall we? This is a very intimate experience. The floss? I also don't want to show you this. Okay, come here, breath tester. You know?
Well, it stinks.
Yeah, I can still feel the garlickiness. I really scrubbed the shit out of my mouth, so this does not work. Next up, chewing on fresh herbs. The reason why garlic gives us such bad breath is because it's got sulfur compounds, okay? That's stinky stuff. So it is known that fresh herbs like mint and parsley have chemical properties that can bind onto the sulfur compounds and then freshen up your breath, kind of like minty gum. Another garlic. Ooh, that made my eyes water. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna put all of this in my mouth. Parsley and mint. There's a lot happening in my mouth right now. I do taste a little less garlic, so I think it might be working. I made pesto.
That's disgusting.
Okay, Leo.
Still, it smells like chimichurri.
So what do we think of it?
Calm down.
Next, drinking green tea through a stainless steel straw. Green tea is known to have polyphenols just like herbs, which are supposed to help out with the funk. And if you know that stainless steel trick where you've been working with a bunch of garlic so your fingers smell really bad and you just rub them on a stainless steel sink and it removes the smell, that's kind of the theory here with the straw. So I'm thinking if I drink the green tea with the straw and rub the straw around in my mouth, it should get rid of the smell. This garlic is so strong. I'm just gonna take little bites at a time because apparently I'm still garlicky. Imagine if you're on a date and you just had some garlic knots or something.
Wow, it's less than the herbs.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh!
It's still there, but it's less. 3 pounds up.
Woo! Stainless steel straw. Good for your breath and the environment. Next up, stainless steel soap bar. I thought I'd take that stainless steel technique to a whole extra level by sticking this entire stainless steel soap bar into my mouth. I'm gonna twirl it all over. Don't be grossed out. This is lucky to be in my mouth. Little bit of garlic. It doesn't get better. Oh, don't do this at home. You may choke and die. Don't do it.
I don't smell it. Oh, it's very, very, very little. So middle one.
Oh, okay. Next up, mustard rinse. Mustard is known to have antibacterial properties because of all the turmeric in it. That's what makes it super yellow. I love mustard, but I am not looking forward to this one. Garlic. Mustard. Okay, sniff me.
I don't smell that garlic at all.
He went in there.
I give it a thumbs up.
Yeah. Next, apple cider vinegar. Is there nothing this thing can't solve? Let's see if it'll cure garlic breath, because just like the mustard, this is known to have antibacterial properties as well. No, it's always so spicy. Bottoms up.
No, you smell like a dressing.
This smells like a dressing.
Yeah.
I still taste
Like
the
a
garlic.
salad dressing.
Next, chewing on coffee beans. I think this is supposed to overpower the scent of garlic because it's just straight up bitter ass coffee beans. I wish these were the chocolate covered kind, but I'm just gonna do straight up coffee beans. All right, garlic in first. I really hope this works. Really bitter. Okay.
Wow, it smells good. It's just coffee. Yeah.
Works, right?
Thumbs up.
And finally, vodka. I don't really know why people suggest this. I'm glad they did, because I feel like this is a freaking award for this entire experiment. Oh, you know what? My dad used to soak garlic cloves in vodka, put the bottle in the fridge, and then he would just take a shot every day because he said it was good for, you know, circulation and everything. So, salud. Ah! Woo!
It smells like garlic.
Still smell,
Yeah, very strong.
but that was worth it. All right, we've put together our top 3 methods. We've got the green tea with a stainless steel straw, mustard, and coffee beans. The green tea with a stainless steel straw, I feel like, is a very easy method to do, especially if you're already out eating. It's just a little awkward twirling that straw around your tongue. You're still left with a little faint smell of garlic breath, but it's still pretty good. Second runner-up is the mustard. Now, this completely got rid of the garlic smell instantly, but it's not very fun to do. Now, Leo made a point that it might be easy to do on the go because you could just carry mustard packets, do a little do-do-do in the bathroom and spit it out. And the winner of all these methods, coffee beans. It completely got rid of the funk, but it's not very pleasant to chew on. You might get a little bit of stain in your teeth, but nothing like turmeric. So the next time you're in a funky situation, give these methods a try and let us know which one works the best for you. See you next time.